Hi, everyone. It's Alicia and Guy. And today, Guy, you're going to be telling us about another case study. This one in specific is going to be about identifying fraud. You had a customer that came to you and asked if you could help them identify fraud. And you're going to tell us the story a little bit about how you were able to help them.
Absolutely. So what happened was that their account number was compromised, and there was some third party was shipping out a lot of overnight charges using their account. So very high dollar transactions using their account, and they didn't recognize this. It was actually the carrier who brought this to their attention, but they brought it to their attention pretty late in the game. So they'd already lost over $7,000 to this. And they wanted to know if Parcel BI had a mechanism that would help monitor this one particular shipper, but also in general, is there a way to bring those types of charges that might be fraudulent to their attention? And I said, absolutely. We have our alert system, and this is exactly what we did for them. So taking a look at Parcel BI, you can see that we have alerts that can bring data-driven events to your attention. So it actually creates an email that gets sent off. So in this case, we went ahead and created a third-party alert so that if there were any third-party shipments taking place, any packages that had a third-party charge associated with them, that every week they would receive an email along with some other important alerts that should be brought to their attention, like address correction and things. But it will actually create an email that will get sent to them, notifying that there were some transactions that had third-party charges associated to them. So instantly they can click right from the email, go right into Parcel BI, and look at the data that is driving that alert to see if was this a legitimate charge or is this something that could be fraudulent.
Wow. So not only in this case of identifying fraudulent activity on the account, but in general, we've talked about account alerts before that are within Parcel BI, but maybe if someone's just now joining us and this is their first time hearing about those, can those be set up for pretty much anything you need to be alerted for?
Anything, yeah. So you can even create an alert that's specific to a name or an address, a specific service. Like if you don't ever ship international and suddenly you're getting international charges in your bill, you want to be alerted to it. Certain countries that might have a lot of fraudulent activity associated with them, things like that. This is just another way that we can bring the information and insight to customers quickly.
Absolutely. And maybe it's something that you never actually want to receive those alerts. You obviously don't want a fraudulent account or something going on in your account that's going to cost you a lot more money. But having these in place and having that reassurance that you will have that alert go off if something is going on in your account is going to be crucial for your business. So if you're thinking about getting started with Parcel BI, you can get in contact with Guy and his team by giving them a call. You can ask any questions you have. And if you're ready to sign up for a free demo, you can do so on parcelbi.com. Thanks again, Guy.
Thanks, Alicia.